What up, guys? I know we're just gonna play from we're just gonna play from the Well, what up? We're playing Spore again, so let's get into it. It was this one we were playing right last time, right? I think so. So let's get into it. It's 9 o'clock. Too early in the morning for me. Bojack crab. That's a crab. Weird looking crab. A yo-yo. This is I created this monster right here, by the way, guys. Alright, let's go get something to eat. Let's go visit neighbors. Or we can just go right here. Yeah, get him. He's very strong. He's at 30 health. We can take him on though. By the way, I do have Q and or like Q and I forgot what it's called, but yeah, I do have that. So if they look weirder than what y'all have, that's why. Let's try. My brain is gonna get bigger. Alright, come on. More brain power. Alright. See him right here? He thinks he can get over here. He's at 20 health and he's a baby. It's crazy. Might die from this. I gotta go. Alright, let's go visit neighbors. Oh, those are the neighbors. Yeah, I'm good. Go visit these neighbors. What are these neighbors? Yeah, these neighbors are fine. I'm gonna spit at them, and I'm gonna attack them. Alright, one down. Hey, look at me. Look at me, bro. Paralyze him. I'm just gonna stand back and shoot. And ta-da! Whoa, what's that? Let's go beat this guy up. I might die from this. Let's save right here. Saving, saving. Okay. And let's do this. Dang, he one-shot me, bro. Wait, he's a tribe. I don't know. Oh, we should have to go to our... Oh, we should have to go to our nest. Oh, what? Alright, sorry about that. I'll pause it real quick. Yep. Alright, I'm back. All these guys are high level. These guys, let's shoot at them and fight them. You just have to have something to eat. Uh, what should we do? What should we do? Let's go back home. Go back home and like get something. Oh, home's right here. You might have wings we can put on. Move out the way. And point them down. Make them a lot bigger. It's not bad. I like it. I guess you can do that. But yeah, we ain't doing that. Alright, we're good. Let's just waste the rest of this money on stuff like this. Alright, let's go. Now we be flying like a butterfly. So we come alive. Yeah, bruh. Now we be flying. Most people are like, oh, we can't cross this. Well, we can. Easily. We're like, heh. Easily, bruh. Now, what's some else, bruh? Wait. Let's go. One more to go. What is that? Some weird stone. Whoa, y'all look pretty cool. They look ugly though. Yeah, I don't know why you did that, man. I'm gonna get right. Speed up and heal. Yeah. Alright, off screen guys. I'll be right back and we'll look for a lot of these. Right? Alright, thank you. Bye. Alright, I'm back guys. Got some stuff and did things. So my and both my guys I lost both my guys. And my guy right there. So much lag. Sorry about the lag. No, stop lagging. I'll show you what I got. I got $244. Don't know what this thing is. Batteries on the roll. Yeah, I'm good. Now we can. Oh, this is a dragon, bro. Get this out of here.